Hi guys, I'm new. We're making magnetic balls today. This channel is usually yarn, but we are going to do a thing. We're making a cube today. So cube. We are going to make an 8 circle. Squeeze it like that. Actually, like that, yeah. And then we're going to put it like that. That's one cube right there. Boom. Look how quick that was, guys. Do you really think it's going to be hard? No. You guys are thinking I'm a master and that it's not going to be hard. Well, I'm not a master. I'm a starter like you guys are. Trust me. Oh, a lot of people out there are pros. They have this for a while now. And you guys are wondering why we are doing this. And we are just making circles with the 2 of them. And we are just keep on doing this. This is how I preferably do it. And I just keep on going. Because it doesn't waste as much of your time. Well, it still does as much time, I think, as what you usually do. But, I mean, I just make it this way. This is my way I make it. Sorry, guys, I missed.
Look how many circles he has.
I miscalculated. Oh, sorry. Those are my dogs. Those are my dogs.
Shush, Max.
Yeah, dogs. Shh. Shh. Quiet. You don't need to be loud.
Max, stop growling at the cats.
Shh. Growl one more time and we'll spank your butt.
You said that.
Okay.
You said that on the camera.
And keep on doing this like that. Boom. If my hand's in the way, I'm sorry. But you squeeze it. I'm telling you guys like how to do it. You squeeze it, and you are going to fold it and like folding a piece of paper. But you
you can already make a platform.
And you pretty much have a scoop, this circle right here. Then you smush it like that. It has to be 2. So it has to have this at the end. And then it's like folding a piece of paper. Guys. And then it's like that. It's pretty much just like that. And I will show you once I'm done with all of this today. Okay, we're done. Now, we aren't completely done, I'm sorry. So you see these 2 cubes? Connect them together. See, that's a 2.
That's a rectangular prism.
Then do that again.
We're learning some math here.
Then do that. Oh, so if it pops up like a circle, just fold it till you get 2, 2, 2. Boom. See it?
Another rectangular prism.
Not like that. Okay, you guys are like, that's not a cube. It's a rectangle prism. Then you're going to put them together like this. Put these 2 together. You make this. One platform. One. You aren't going to use all of them. Okay, then you do that again. So,
this is the hard part.
This is the really hard part. This is the hardest part of all, guys.
You do not want to mess it up.
Yes, then you mess everything up. Then, I'm going to put this together. Yes! We just did it. Look at this, guys. We made a cube. And please like this video today. Goodbye!
And make sure to subscribe and tap the bell.